doing?
Good. Just hold it out and just point it. Squeeze.
Where does my hand go?
Right there, yeah. Like that. Well, hold it to it. Yeah.
Danny, I don't know. I don't think I can do this.
Yeah, just squeeze. I'll hold your hand if you want.
Am I supposed to close my eyes?
No, no. Close one eye so you can see down it.
And I'm supposed to line that up with the hole.
In there, yeah.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I already know it's gonna fly back.
Do you want me to hold your arm?
Yeah, will you? No, hold with me.
Alright.
No?
Yeah, I'll hold with you. Go on.
I'm never doing that again. I broke my thumb. Ow! That was painful. Shit.
Well, what happened?
I don't know. Why? Is that what it's supposed to do?
Yeah.
Oh, gee. I have more respect for Olivia Benson now.
Olivia Benson, yeah.
Wait, hold on, let me get my plug in. You were recording.
What? What didn't?